State different methods of collection of solid waste and explain any one. With sketch. Collection of solid waste. The waste collection process is the transportation of MSW from the source of generation, residential, industrial, commercial, institutional, to the point of treatment or disposal site. The term collection includes not only the gathering or picking up of solid waste from the various sources, but also hauling of these wastes to the disposal site or transfer station and unloading there. 1. Phase I. It is first step in which waste transfer to the collection bins by the house owner. 2. Phase 2. In this phase waste transfer from collection bins to collection truck. This process done by collection crew or worker of municipality related to solid waste management department. 3. Phase 3. In this step solid waste collected from several homes, commercial and business centers. 4. Phase 4. This phase is the transfer of waste from collection bins through collection trucks by planned routes in order to maximize the collection efficiency. The route is planned in such a way that the last collection point is at minimum distance from the waste disposal or processing facility. 5. Phase V. It is last step where collection trucks are unloaded at disposal sites located nearby. Different methods of collection. Method of collection of MSW may be classified on the basis of availability of services and mode of operation. 1. Availability of service includes A. House-to-house collection. B. Community bin system. 2. Mode of operation includes A. Hauled container system. B. Stationary container system. The detailed about the collection methods are as follows. Methods of collection based on availability of service. A. House-to-house collection. In this type of waste collection system, waste collectors visit each house to collect garbage and the users generally pay for this service. This method generally accepted in small town where door-to-door collection is possible. This system gadi run by generally provide facility of ghanta private agencies. The general plan of the residents plays a significant role in the frequency of collection as to whether they can accommodate dustbins or not. This system is only acceptable if the following two condition. B. Community bin system. This type of bin system is adopted in locations where community residents can easily access containers to throw away their waste. This system is comparatively affordable and widely adopted in developed and developing countries. For the successful implementation of this system, containers should be covered properly and cleaned regularly to avoid the unhygienic condition in surroundings. There must be provision of separate containers for recyclables, biodegradables, and paper, etc. Community bins must be well designed to allow easy access for citizens. In most of areas in developing country, community bins have not been well equipped and not properly received by citizens, and consequently most bins are not emptied on time and then they overflow, littering waste outside the bins and thereby creating unhygienic situations in the surrounding area.
This problem is made worse because citizens tend to throw waste into the collection bins from a distance, because they dislike the odors coming from the containers. Frequent collection and cleaning are essential to avoid unpleasant odor due to anaerobic waste degradation. Apart from above collection methods, there are another 5 categories of collection of solid waste based on pickup services in residential areas. 1. Curbside services. Where curbside service is used, homeowner is responsible for placing the container to be emptied at the curb on specified days, and after being emptied, owner take back the containers inside the premises. 2. Alley services. Where alleys are part of the basic layout of a city or a residential area, alley service is very common. In this service, containers are placed in the alleys instead of curbside. All the remaining process are same. 3. Set out setback service. In this service, collection crew are responsible to bring out the loaded container and getting back to the premises. It means that set out men go to individuals' houses, collect the containers and empty them in the solid waste collection vehicle. Another group of persons return them to house owner's yard. 4. Set out service. In this service, collection crew are responsible to bring out the loaded container, but the empty container remains left on the curbside. The residents will take back the empty containers. 5. Backyard carry service. In backyard carrying service, the collection crew is responsible for entering the owner's property and removing the waste from their storage locations.